Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my first video which I covered Lions and Safari Park in Johannesburg. Now we are traveling to our next destination which is nearby, which is approximately 10 kilometers from Lions and Safari Park. Now we are at Upside and Down House. After this place, I'm gonna cover other two places too, so let me cover it fast. So guys, we are at Upside Down House, which is nearby Hartbeespoort, Johannesburg. So I will cover you the entire place. So let me take and go you through entrance area. So this is the entrance, guys. And before entering to this place, you need to pay the entry fee. I think for per person, it is of 110 rand. I'm not sure, but it is of 100 plus rand. As you can see the outside area, friends, it is clean, hygiene, and it is spacious too. You can enjoy here with your kids as there is a playground for kids and you can relax outside since the sitting arrangements is also done. So guys, first let me tell you what is this upside down house. It's just that it's a house which is built upside down. All the furnitures inside etc., which would normally be on the floor, it's not in the floor but it's above your head. Friends, I think this is an amazing place to take a photos and you can enjoy with your kids. And this is the entry area, as it indicated, enter at your own risk. Let me show you first the outside thing, how it looks. So now I am entering into the house and let me tell you the experience later. Okay friends, after entering to this place, I felt somewhat illusion, I do agree. But what I felt is the cost is somewhat high because it is of 100 plus rand per person. So I think the cost is high. Apart from that, everything is fine, it is clean and you can come here to take the photos and you can explore this place once, I felt. So now I am covering the next place. We are heading towards our next place, that is Aerial Cableway Hartbeespoort, which is nearby. So let me show you that place. We want to experience the aerial cableway, so we are at the entrance of this. So for this, the entry ticket is 300 plus rand per person. Open seated, it is fully opened. You can just see the nature. As you can see, it is fully opened, it is not at all closed. For open seated, it is somewhat high than compared to closed seated one. So guys, we are at the top of Cableway. We are at the top and we are exploring the nature and other stuff. So guys, the Hartbeespoort aerial cableway, originally constructed in 1973, is a 1.2 kilometer long cableway that extends to the top of Magaliesburg and offers a beautiful view of the Magaliesburg Hartbeespoort Dam, and you can also see the surrounding area. Actually, this is an amazing. You can see the view over here. And at the top of this, you can also find a beautiful restaurants. You can enjoy the food over here. We are good to go with having our pizza, and the taste was delicious. So heading down, here we chosen a close seated one because we already explored the open seated, just we want to eat it. So we chosen this, and this was also so amazing. Guys, we are done with the aerial cableway. Now we are moving to our next destination, that is Little Paris, which is nearby. Since I'm tired, I couldn't take much videos of Little Paris, but yeah, this is the entrance area. There is a restaurant, you can have a delicious food over there. As you can see, the key is hanging all over here. So guys, here the lovers used to lock their love by engraving their names, as they believed as such, but I don't believe in all this stuff. You'll get the key at the entrance itself. You can write your names over there and you can hang here. Since I didn't took much video, this is or some photos. Guys, it's already 4:45 p.m. so we need to run to another place where we need to buy the groceries, that is Jasmine. Here you'll get each and every stuff, guys. On the way we'll get a Jasmine and it will be closed by 5, so it's only 15 minutes left over, so we need to run and we need to shop there. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much.